This is episode 3 where I trade a solar panel and a diesel heater for a 50cc scooter. So here is where I have grabbed all the things and I go to trade it for this one. This is the ad. So in this episode I continue trying to fix it. It didn't start when I bought it and so on. So the engine starts, that's good news. Here I'm using the original carburetor, it's clean. But the choke is on, so it doesn't run clean, the engine. And yeah, let's see if if it works to... Let's take a ride. The fuel is out. Let's see if we manage to the gasoline. Soon I get no throttle response and the engine bogs down, don't know why. And what's happened now? Died. It doesn't want to start. It's out of fuel, I believe. I have to pull it to the nearest gas station. It's not that far. See if that helps. At the fuel station, fuel prices. Take 3 liters of 98. It was filled up here, so I'll give it 3 liters there. It settles down. It should be running better now. In the bottom, go half, and well, I don't know. Now it doesn't want to start again. What is it now? So there's something wrong with the air screw or whatever. So this should be, I think this should be about 1.5 out. Let's put it in again. Half, and a half, and now it's at the bottom. And then this will seems to be have to be see, this I think is not open. It's probably missing some gasket here or whatever. Got it running again. Doesn't get enough fuel. Swamp. The carburetor is not good. The fuel is bad. Idle is working, but not good. It works. It works. The other line. This one. This one I tested before. About braking light. Yeah. Now the fuel meter works. Good. I turned it off now. Yeah. Almost full now. I lost this one. Huh. Somewhere. Found it. There we have it. Gonna try to make this a little bit better. And clean it and paint it. Yeah, we see signs of paintings all over the place. Here they've also. So there's some kid, 15-year-old or something, that decided to paint it in dark blue for some reason. So this always makes me suspicious, but everything's checked out with the frame number and the papers and so on, so it's legit. You got the key and also everything, so everything seems legit. The exhaust has been cleaned and sandpaper and cleaned with acetone, so I'm gonna paint it with hot paint. Using a steel wire here. Doing it in a hot environment, so it dries pretty fast. This is the paint I'm using. The order has come, and got some kickstart sprocket shafts here. Got some pinion gear. It all seems to be correct. Got some bushing. This is I've ordered before, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, it's the same here. I ordered a couple of others kickstart levers before. They are out of stock and you can't get them anymore. Got some gasket there for Kimco, Hisong, and Honda. Yeah, ordered 2 of these. So, and also got the the carburetor here. I ordered 2 of them, but unfortunately the idle jet is not replaceable. But I've tested the choke and it's still working. Yeah, I don't have to open it up for you. It's just a normal Gertner type with the automatic choke. Since the kickstart didn't work very well, I'm gonna renovate the side fare or side cover. Gonna replace the bushing here. You got a bushing here. I think you got a bushing down there. Not sure, but you got a bushing there at least. Maybe this isn't replaceable, but it's not used that much. Yeah, you have a face here. I don't know if you want to have it downwards or upwards. I think I'm gonna go with downsize. Just hammer this down, see if I can get it to fit. Maybe freeze this before. I just used the heat gun to heat this place up, and then I could just press this down with my finger, the bushing. Getting all new parts, the shafts. Gonna grease this up. This is where the grease line is. And you have to grease this piece here around it all the way so it can move. And of course grease this a little bit. Grease this a little bit. And a little down there. Little down there. And of course later on for the Bendix. After that it should be good. This is the one with the holes here. Don't know why there's holes there. I'm using this as a grease molybdenum disulfide mousse 2. This black grayish type. I think it's good. A little struggle with the spring there, but this is the way I do it. And now I managed to, I'm putting it and going this way and got it behind this. And then of course I need to get the springs down below this plate here. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver and press and so on, and hopefully can get it there. I won't film it. The hard part is done, now it's down. I just use a screwdriver to press on the springs here and get it down. So now next side we're gonna put the washer there and the C-clip. You want a thick washer like this. Usually they send this one, it's really thin. So gonna reuse the old one, put it down there, and then we have the C-clip here. That it's gonna need a tool to press them like this. This is the tool I'm using to pull them apart and push it down and get it into the little line here. It's hard to see, but it's there. Yeah, everything is in place. Got the washer and we got the C-clip. And it works. I tried it out. Brand new stuff. The bushing, the sprocket, and the pinion gear. Got this Koso Variator kit with 8 grams weight. So it's 89 across here and 20mm boss inside here. And it should fit both GY6 and a Kymco ZX50 and Honda Dio, so on. It's 16 times 13 size, so 13 wide and 16 height. can see that this one is narrow here. This will give more fuel and more throttle. I think that will be good. Consume a bit more fuel. Just this is an oil nozzle. I have to close it. Now the side cover is back, and I put a rubber hose here with a screw in the end, and kick seems to be working for now. This is the Kefflum carburetor, non-replaceable idle jet, and the main jet is out. It's down here. I think it says 80 on it. It's an M6 small pitch. Here you see 80. I'm gonna see if this automatic choke works, electronic choke, if it goes out when I connect it to a battery here. So we'll see. Yeah, it seems to be working. I connected it here. It's time to mount the exhaust pipe. And replacing the old gasket, which is really thin against the new one. It's a pretty hard fit. You have to bend out a bit to get the screws in place. The new exhaust paint. An order for a Honda Tact carburetor got from AliExpress today, and it's missing the nuts here, and it's yeah, you can see the package. It was totally broken, totally flat, and this got a dent. Doesn't look straight, and the choke cover totally busted. Yep. And yeah, it's quite thin here, but I got the gasket here at least. So I just tried the choke and it works. That's good.
Just